under root cos x minus cos cube x by 1 minus 1 minus cos cube x dx. Take cos x common under root. Take cos x common 1 minus cos square x by under root 1 minus cos cube x. Write as a cos power 3 by 2 x whole square dx. Whole square dx. This is integral root cos x 1 minus cos square x equal to sin square x root over sin square x sin x by under root 1 minus cos 3 by 2x whole square dx. Whole square dx. Cos power 3 by 2x. Cos power 3 by 2x equal to t. Its derivative 3 by 2 into cos x power 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1. That is the derivative of the power function. Derivative of cos x minus sin x dx. This is root cos x sin x power 1 by 2. Power 1 by 2 means root equal to minus this minus 2 dt 2 dt by 3 minus 2 dt by 3. So this value becomes 2. This total part minus 2 dt by 3 1 by under root 1 minus t square 1 by under root 1 minus x square sin inverse x formula. So minus 2 by 3 sin inverse t minus 2 by 3 sin inverse t. Substitute t value minus 2 by 3 sin inverse cos power 3 by 2x plus c. First take cos x common. 1 by x square plus 2 alpha x plus 1 2 alpha x plus 1 dx. There is a x square term and x term. X square term and x term. So write that two terms in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So for that one add plus b square minus b square. IC1 IC2 కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. Add plus b square minus b square. How to get the value of b? B equal to half of coefficient of x, half of coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 2 alpha. So 2 into 2 alpha, 2 cancel alpha. So add alpha square minus alpha square 1 by x square plus 2 alpha x plus alpha square minus alpha square plus 1. Add plus b square minus b square. Once again, b value half of the coefficient of x. Half of coefficient of x is 2 alpha. 2 cancel. B is alpha. So add alpha square minus alpha square. These three terms becomes 2. 1 by a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square plus 1 minus alpha square. 1 minus alpha square. This is x square form. 1 by x square form. Write this one into a square form. A square form. Then we apply 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. So write this one as a square form. 1 by x plus alpha whole square under root 1 minus alpha square whole square 1 by x square plus a square 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. So 1 by a value 1 minus alpha square 1 by a tan inverse x value x plus alpha a value under root 1 minus alpha square 1 minus alpha square 1 by x into 6 log x whole square plus 7 log x plus 2 dx plus 2 dx plus 2 dx. Log x equal to t. Log x equal to t. 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx equal to dt. 1 by x dx. This value is dt. 1 by 6 t square plus 70 plus 70 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So split into factors 12, 3 into 4, integral 1 by 3t square plus 4t plus 3t plus 2 dt. Take 2t common, 3t plus 2. Take 1 common, 3t plus 2 dt. So integral 1 by 3t plus 2 into 2t plus 1 3t plus 2 into 2t plus 1. All of you listen. Partial fractions. All of you listen. These two are the linear factors, x term and constant. So they are called linear factors. So a by plus b by. So how to find the a value and b value? So put t value, see, put t value minus 2 by 3, remove this one. So 1 by 2 into t value minus 2 by 3, 2 into t value minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Next we want b value. Put t value minus 1 by 2. Remove this one. 1 by 3 into t value minus 1 by 2 plus 2. They are the a and b values. Take down. A value 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 3 plus 1. B value 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 2. This plus 2 is this one. So integral minus 4, 3 LCM. So 1 by 3 LCM minus 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1 by 3t plus 2, 2 LCM minus 3 plus 4, 1 by 2 by 2t plus 1 dt. 1 by minus 1 by 3 becomes to minus 3. Integral of 1 by x log mod x by x coefficient 3. This is coefficient of x, coefficient of t. Similarly, 1 by 1 by 2 equal to 2 plus 2. Integral of 1 by x log mod 2t plus 1 by x coefficient is 2. 2 cancel plus c. This is log m minus log n. Log m by n. 2t plus 1 by 3t plus 2. 2t plus 1 minus becomes 2 by 3t plus 2, where t value log x. 2 log x plus 1, 3 log x plus 2.